Man, last night was rough. Alice's snoring kept me up all night. Well, at least it's morning, and that's over. Huh? Oh, no. What do you want, Lucy? Okay, I'll make you breakfast. Okay, I got your bowl of milk. Hope you like it, Your Royal Highness. Man, I hate that cat. I really like this show. Hey, Lucifer, can you mind not slurping that so loud? I'm trying to watch my show. Dang it, crap. Yeah, Bendy. It's your turn to bathe Lucifer. You know you're not gonna take that lightly. Come on, Lucifer. Time for you to take a bath. Lucifer, I said get in the bath. Lucifer, I swear, you're gonna get in this bath right now. Lucifer, either you're getting this bath or else I'm gonna. Man, I hate that cat. It was stressful. Hi, Bindi. Oh, hey, Boris. Wait, how'd you get inside my house? Oh, I have a key, remember? Oh yeah, I forgot. I gave you a spare key in case I wasn't home, and I asked you to put something on my bed. Yeah. So I heard that you were having a stressful day. Want to talk about it? It's just that. Hey, ow! Get off my! Get off! Stop trying to eat my hair. Cat. Boris, you got rid of Lucifer. Hooray! Thank you, Boris. Yes, good boy. Here's a treat. Delish.